Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the recovery menu. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now, what we need to do to enter the recovery mode. We need to press and hold the upper button and lower button together. We need to keep holding them until you see the Samsung logo on the screen with the rebooting message under it. And once you see the rebooting message, you need to release the buttons and then start pressing the upper button repeatedly, and the watch will enter the boot mode. And there you will be able to select the recovery, and then basically the watch will reboot into recovery mode. So let's do that. Let's enter the recovery mode. Press and hold the both buttons. Keep holding them until you see the rebooting message on the screen. Now release them and start pressing the upper button repeatedly. And as you can see, we entered the boot mode. And to move through this menu, you can simply use the upper or lower button by pressing them once, and after you select the option you want to, in our case it's going to be recovery because we want to enter the recovery mode, you need to press and hold the upper button to confirm. And the watch will reboot and it should boot into a recovery. So let's wait. Okay, and as you can see, we're in a recovery menu. And you can move through this menu by swiping up and down on the screen. You can scroll through the options, and if you want to confirm the selection, you can swipe left or right on the screen. So now let's select the option called wipe data/factory reset. This one. And after you select it, you will need to swipe left or right on the screen. Then select the factory reset or factory data reset again, and swipe left and right on the screen. And after the wiping process is complete, make sure that the reboot system now is selected, and then swipe left or right on the screen. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.